How do you use visualization for memory enhancement? Imagine your brain as a busy city with countless streets and buildings. When you want to remember something, you need a clear map to navigate those streets easily. Visualization is like drawing that map in your mind, making it easier to find what you need later. It turns abstract ideas or lists into vivid pictures that stick in your memory. To start, pick a familiar place like your house or a park. This is called a memory palace. Now, take what you want to remember and imagine it as a bold, exaggerated image. For example, if you need to memorize a shopping list, picture a giant loaf of bread bouncing on your sofa or a bunch of bananas hanging from the ceiling. The more unusual or funny the image, the better it will stay in your mind. Next, place each image in a specific spot within your mental location. For example, imagine the bread on your kitchen counter and the bananas hanging from your bedroom ceiling. When you want to recall the list, just walk through your mental house and look at each spot. The images will help jog your memory. You can also use diagrams, color-coded notes, or mind maps to visualize ideas. Drawing arrows and shapes between concepts makes the information more organized and easier to retrieve. For subjects like history, creating visual timelines or flowcharts helps you see how events or ideas connect over time. To make your mental images stronger, involve more senses. Picture the smell of the bread, hear the bananas bouncing, or feel the texture of the images. Imagine the images interacting with each other, like the bread rolling down the stairs or the bananas bouncing off the wall. This multisensory approach makes the images more memorable. Practical ways to use visualization include drawing mind maps that connect key points, creating visual flashcards with pictures instead of just words, or building a mental journey through a familiar place. Color-coding notes helps highlight important information and makes it easier to spot later. Remember, combining visualization with active recall and spaced repetition boosts your memory even more. Regularly review your mental images and test yourself to strengthen those connections. With practice, visualization can become a simple yet powerful tool to help you remember anything more easily.